Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and yes, I have my headphones today. Though I have been advised कि ज़्यादा use नहीं करना है मुझे, but ठीक है, कभी-कभी use कर सकते हैं. So I thought why not for this reaction use the headphones. So yes, we are continuing Krishna's mixtape reaction. Yours truly. ये part 2 है. तो आज मैं skit 2 VOTP. तो मुझे बताया आप लोगों ने कि this was one of the oldest podcast which talked about Indian hip hop. So voice of the people basically. So we have the second skit from it, and then today again I will be listening to 3 songs. Never Enough, Buzz Down, which features Raftar, and we have KKBN. I have no idea what that means. So उसके बाद skit 3 आ जाता है, and skit 3 के बाद 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 गाने हैं with, and then the ending is with skit 4. So I think part 3 में I'm gonna just cover everything, maybe. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So yeah, let's start without any further delay. Let's go.
The fans and the community just looks at it like it's glamorous, but on the flip side, this dude's jamming his ass off, to make sure.
And he's been at it for years. It didn't happen over that.
I really genuinely think he deserves a lot more love than he gets from the Indian underground community, at least.
Alright, so today I'm gonna finish basically side A, and then part 3 is gonna be the entirety of side B basically. So yeah, let's watch the. I don't know why I keep saying watch, but yes, watch also, because अब मैं जब गाना चलेगा, most of the songs, what I have been told and I have read in the comments in the part 1 section, कि गाने lyrics दिए हुए हैं comments में, so I can just watch the lyrics while listening to the song. And I'm gonna do that. So we start with Never Enough Now, which is produced by Phenom. And let me see the lyrics. Yes. Oh, I think the 3 AM Stories has just written the lyrics in the comments for every song. That's what I'm assuming. So big shout out to him. Let's listen to the song right away. There you go. Okay.
रास्ते थे बंद सारे, still I found a way. कभी लकी ना था मैं, cause I never got a break. काफी लेबल वाले मिले मुझे, लगे बहुत ही fake. इनका फॉर्मूला था एक, जो के करे copy paste. आज ये करे ऐसे rap को, you know I paved the way. Made them up the pen game, but they never really say. मुझे credit नहीं देंगे, no flowers in my face. कभी rap का होगा craze, I just used to count the days. Never thought I'd make money, make money from the game. Now there's dollars in my name. For my brothers I'm the same. करे copy paste. आज ये करे ऐसे rap को, you know I paved the way. Made them up the pen game, but they never really say. मुझे credit नहीं देंगे, no flowers in my face. कभी rap का होगा craze, I just used to count the days. Never thought I'd make money from the game. Now there's dollars in my name. For my brothers I'm the same. कभी हुआ नहीं change. मेरे बड़े थे ये aim, but it never was the fame. Now let me be honest, so I was never treated fairly. Underground वालों को कभी पसंद नहीं था मैं भी. Community वाले पुराने never really cared. See, खड़ा था अकेला, मैंने खेला single player ही. You can take away my accolades, I tackle it. छीनो मेरी plate दे दो hate, still I handle it. बुलाओ मुझे made, even if my skill immaculate. किसी के लिए average, even if I'm a maverick. Krishna never gave up the pen or the paper. लिया जो भी लिया, मुझे दिया नहीं कोई favor. पूछे मुझसे label what I brought to the table. जवाब होगा केवल, I brought the fucking table.
Whoa! That's a bar!
करूँ फिर भी करेंगे शक. 3 बार करूँ but it's never enough. इसलिए बार करूँ cause I never give up. क्योंकि एक बार करूँ तो ये बोलेंगे लक. 2 बार करूँ फिर भी करेंगे शक. 3 बार करूँ but it's never enough. इसलिए बार करूँ cause I never give up. जितना भी बढ़ोगे तुम आगे, खींचेंगे ये टांगे, तुम्हें देंगे सारे ताने पूरे टाइम. जितना भी नाम तू कमा ले, ये बैठे तेरे काम में बस खामियां निकाले. और जितना भी मैं करूं it will never be enough. और जितना मुझे मिला दे भी tell him नहीं is luck. बहुत enemies है पर ना enemy से डर, क्योंकि जब मैं on the track another felony occurs. Respect करी earn, I just waited for my turn, then stepped on the gas, just watching the rubber burn. जाके करा बड़ा काम फिर कभी ना मदद मांग, क्योंकि आज का दान खो दे कल कबर जान. मैंने डाले कितने hours on hours. They deny me my flowers, that's how it just be. चाहे घाव या तकलीफ, I don't bow in defeat. मेरे दाव पे नसीब ना तोड़ पाओगे belief. जैसे कावड़ के feet, I walked hours in heat and scoured to reach on this tower, this peak. I said bon appetit, जैसे दावत पे जीप. Got the power to eat and devour the beat.
Nice.
Now the shit ain't breezy, brother. बात करना आसान is easy, brother.
हाँ.
सुना मैंने you been talking greasy, पर गाली देने से पहले लगा ले
Greasy?
DP brother. एक बार करूं
Greasy?
तो ये बोलेंगे अलग, 2 बार करूं फिर भी करेंगे शक, 3 बार करूं but it's never enough, इसलिए बार करूं cause I never give up, क्योंकि एक बार करूं तो ये बोलेंगे
3AM stories ने FF को भी hello बोला इसमें. So sweet.
but it's never enough, इसलिए बार करूं cause I never give up.
Amazing. Very straightforward, but a very effective song. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Like I said, very, very straightforward. Very, like to the point. मतलब बिल्कुल ही to the point. There's no hidden meaning, this and that. He's like, I'm just gonna give it to you straight. Forget the entendres. Like, listen to me. This is like raw. I'm telling you what has happened, what I have done, but it's never enough. And I liked how it was direct, it was simple, and yet it was so effective. It was effective in getting the message across completely. And I think Finam ने बहुत ही एक obviously groove दिया है इस गाने को, which I like. It has a really good rhythm. It sounds really good to your ears. Like when you listen to it, like with the rhyme schemes and everything, and the beat production, it sounds amazing. But also, can you I don't know, it's just probably me that I feel that there is this hidden subtext. Not hidden really, but there's a subtext of pain. I wouldn't say ये बहुत painful गाना है, but you can just still feel when you are listening to his cadence a little bit that yes, he has that never give up attitude. But you know, sometimes he's human, right? So when you get to, you proving yourself again and again and again and again and again, and then सामने से people are just dismissing you left, right and center. And he has been in the industry for really, really long. Like, it's been a very long journey for this guy. So, if he's still making a song like this, if he's still saying it's never enough for people, because वो जो second verse में था कि तुम खामियां निकालेंगे ही निकालेंगे, चाहे तुम कुछ भी कर लो, जिंदगी में तुम कुछ उखाड़ लो, वो एक पड़ोस वाली आंटी जी होगी जो तुम पे खामियां निकालेगी, पिन पॉइंट करने के लिए है. I'm just giving you that context, right? So, यार दुख तो एक level of pain तो होता है. You're very confident of yourself. You are doing really well in your life. You are earning your accolades. You're just doing everything in your power, and you're thriving. And yet those voices creep in. और ये human nature है. मतलब बहुत आसान है बोलना. It's very easy to talk. वो एक line भी आती है इसमें. It's very easy to say these things कि ignore the hate and all. You learn it over time to ignore, these voices which come at you. But still, there's this one tiny voice that will always remind you that, it's never enough. And that definitely is a painful thing to experience. So I feel that it was groovy, but his cadence still hid a bit of pain, which I liked. Like, it's never enough. What do I do? Like, what do you want me to do now? I'm doing everything I can. That is the emotion that is coming out. It is marked by a little bit of pain. So I think that subtext is something that I felt in the song. It could be possible that you were like, नहीं यार, ये तो मतलब सीधा बस सीधी बात no बकवास कर रहा था, which is also true. It's like सीधी बात no बकवास. I'm gonna tell you how it is. Because couple of lines which I really, really resonated with, and I think a lot of people would also relate कि जो लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे हैं, but सामने से आपको क्रिटिसिज्म ही आता है. एंड समटाइम्स यू थिंक कि मैं इतनी मेहनत क्यों कर रहा हूँ. वो एक क्वेश्चन आता है ना, इट्स लाइक ऑलवेज दिस क्वेश्चन, इतनी मेहनत मैं किसके लिए कर रहा हूँ, क्यों कर रही हूँ या क्यों कर रहा हूँ. दिस लाइक I'm just gonna get criticism no matter what I do, because it's never enough for people. So I really like, in fact जो ये लिखा है, जितना भी बढ़ोगे तुम आगे खींचेंगे ये टांगे, तुम्हें देंगे सारे ताने पूरे टाइम, जितना भी नाम कमा ले, ये बैठे हैं तेरे काम में बस खामियां निकालने, और जितना भी मैं करूं it will never be enough. Like, how direct can you be and how relatable can you be? So I think I loved the lyrics of the song, because sometimes you just need to give it straight. जैसा है वैसा बोलो. इतना शुगर कोट करने की जरूरत नहीं, जो है वो है. Call spade a spade, and I think this song is perfect for that. So yes, that was good. That was really good. And let's move on to the next one. This is Buzz Down featuring Raftaar. This should be good. Wait. I am just seeing, produced by Phenom. There are 3 producers here. Phenom, Sana, M61. Okay. I am just seeing the lyrics 3 AMG. हाँ, कहाँ हो आप? इधर मिल गए. चलो इसको सुनते हैं.
चाहिए मुझे बस एक बस डाउन रोली, लंबी सी गाड़ी और मकान, 2 स्टोरियां. चाहिए मुझे बस एक बस डाउन रोली, लंबी सी चेन और कुछ लाख की तिजोरियां. चाहिए मुझे बस एक बस डाउन रोली.
Oh, this is interesting. Like, if Krishna's voice, like, I don't know if he has done it, like he's modulating it himself, or is it engineered that way? Interesting. Like, listen.
चाहिए मुझे बस एक बस डाउन रोली, लंबी सी गाड़ी और मकान, 2 स्टोरियां. चाहिए मुझे बस एक
Sounding
बस
a little
डाउन
different,
रोली,
right?
लंबी सी चेन और कुछ लाख की तिजोरियां. चाहिए मुझे बस एक बस डाउन रोली, लंबी सी गाड़ी और मकान, 2 स्टोरियां. चाहिए मुझे बस एक बस डाउन रोली, लंबी सी चेन और कुछ लाख की तिजोरियां. डायमंड रिंग चाहिए, डायमंड्स इन माय चेन, Cartier lenses चाहिए, डायमंड्स ऑन माय फ्रेम्स. चाहिए थी वो फीलिंग जो आती विद द फेम. बनना चाहता था मैं बॉलर जैसे रैपर्स इन द गेम. टॉप 5 तेरो लाइव कभी बन जाऊं मैं. टेक ऑफ करूं यहाँ करूं टच डाउन है, कलाई पे रोली वो भी बस डाउन है. मेरी पूरी मॉप डीप cause it's tough down है. बैठा मैं अकेला देखूं ख्वाब पूरे दिन, सुनता था मैं बिगी सुनता पाक पूरे दिन.
Okay.
सूप जैसे ब्रेड्स और ताक पे थे ग्रिल्स. मैं बोलूंगा नहीं ज्यादा करे बात मेरे स्किल्स. आउटकास्ट इन माय क्लास सुनूं वॉकमैन पे टेप. रैपर्स पे था नाज फूकता बॉयज के साथ जय. मेरा राज खास आई स्टार्ट फीलिंग सो वेन. मैं कमरों में बंद प्ले जी यूनिट फॉर डेज. वेल सैंटेना जैसे बांधू बैंडेना. हैव द गेम ऑन लॉक सर यही था प्लान मेरा. करूं इग्नोर ही बस बनना था रैप सिंगर. एक दिन बस तो राइम तू बनेगा फैन मेरा. क्योंकि चाहिए मुझे बस एक बस डाउन रोली, लंबी सी गाड़ी और मकान, 2 स्टोरियां. चाहिए मुझे बस एक बस डाउन रोली, लंबी सी चेन और कुछ लाख की तिजोरियां. चाहिए मुझे बस एक बस डाउन रोली, लंबी सी गाड़ी और मकान, 2 स्टोरियां. चाहिए मुझे बस एक बस डाउन रोली, लंबी सी चेन और कुछ लाख की तिजोरियां.
चाहिए मुझे बस जूते 10 लाख जोड़ी, एक स्कूटी बनी ऑडी तभी एस क्लास दौड़ी. चाहिए मुझे बस थोड़ी दाल थोड़ी रोटी, एक बाग वाली कोठी और बीवी लंबी नौशौरी. मुझे टीम नहीं यार चाहिए, लिखे लफ्जों से शो पे कतार चाहिए. मेरे सपनों को अपनों का प्यार चाहिए. मेरी कोठी ना दिखे ऊंची दीवार चाहिए. जॉब पे ना टीका क्योंकि बॉस की ना मानी. मुझको तो माँ की थी नौकरी छुड़ानी. गाँव की दीवारों पे रोशनी पुरानी, बहनों की शादी पे टोकरी भी जानी थी. Got the game from Kane Wayne, sibling पहला रैप डाला जब DHS wasn't a thing. Jay-Z था मेरा बादशाह, नेली था मेरा किंग. रात से पहले राजा फिर तू बाकियों को गिन. चली तेरी रील क्योंकि फाटक मैंने खोला. हुआ तेरा एडिसन क्योंकि रैप था निकोला. रैप में
Oh, these are bars. I like that.
चाहिए मुझे बस एक बस डाउन रोली, लंबी सी गाड़ी और मकान,
That Edison
2
Nicola
स्टोरियां.
was
चाहिए मुझे
good.
बस एक बस डाउन रोली, लंबी सी चेन और कुछ लाख की तिजोरियां. चाहिए मुझे बस एक बस
It
डाउन
has a
रोली,
really good
लंबी सी गाड़ी और
Spanish
मकान, 2 स्टोरियां.
influence,
चाहिए मुझे
whole
बस
music.
एक बस डाउन रोली, लंबी सी चेन और कुछ लाख की तिजोरियां.
This, the Latino vibe. Oh, nice. I like this. Oh, that was nice. I like this. Very, very nice. Just like from a music standpoint also, it's beautiful. In the first part, उसमें भी वो Rolly, I think 3 brands were mentioned, so I said कि मुझे पता नहीं है. So you guys told me I think someone commented that it's Rolly is Rolex, because मैं Rolls Royce सोच रही थी, but those 3 were brands of the luxury watches basically. So, but I am still confused. Why is it called Buzz Down Rolly? Like he said, it's Buzz Down. From what I know, buzz is a kissing slang, right? So, kiss down Rolly? So here I'm a little confused. But when this song started, if you see the hook, I thought that, okay, initially it's going to be just about brands and this, and I have told this previously in my previous hip hop reactions also. Okay, like I'm okay with the songs which mentions like, okay, I want this, I want that, I have this, I have that, like the typical flex with all the brands. But I'm kind of over it. So here also with this entire chorus and the entire hook, I was like, okay, fine, yeah, this sounds great, but okay, fine. I'm like nothing new for me here to really get excited about. And then the verses start, and again it started with like diamond rings, this, that, Cartier, again all brands. But then it switched. Then it completely switched because I thought it's going on in that whole flex zone. But then when he started talking about all of his idols, all the rappers that he looked up to, when he was in his nascent stage, when he was developing this really good passion for rap, he was interested in rapping and all of that. So he is kind of giving that tribute to everybody, like his idols basically. So he talks about Biggie, he talks about Tupac, then he also mentions other artists. I think Nas का भी उन्होंने नाम लिया है इसमें, then Snoop का नाम लिया है, then उन्होंने Santana का भी नाम लिया, and then I think Busta Rhymes as well. So this is what he dreamt of as he was building his passion for rap, and he thought, okay, I'm gonna become a rapper, and this is what actually triggered it. These have been his inspirations. So I like that because I thought the song was going one way, but it completely took a different turn. And then we come to Raftaar. Now his verse is something that it's very personal. Of course, uska bhi personally hai, but here he is kind of flexing the point of that when rap was not even a thing, like not even commercial. That's where like I paved the path. And he's telling, I liked how he gave that Edison wala thing, the Nikola Tesla and the Edison thing. Hua tera Edison kyunki Raft tha Nikola. So Nikola Tesla is credited in the field of AC, alternate current, right? Which was like literally revolutionary in the field of electricity and all. So that is why तुम एडिसन बने, तुमने लाइट बल्ब जलाई, तुम लाइट बल्ब जला पाए because I was निकोला, क्योंकि मैंने वो पाथ पेव किया ताकि तुम लाइट बल्ब जला सको. So I like that. So I love that bar actually. I love that bar. In fact, उसके पहले भी वो जो लाइन है, चली तेरी रील क्योंकि फाटक मैंने खोला. So it literally saying paved the way for this thing to become so freaking mainstream. Now you agree with him or disagree with him, that is on you. You can comment that in my video. You can share your thoughts on that. But this is what he's claiming. So अगर आप कृष्णा का फ्लेक्स पार्ट सुनो, it's more inspirational, but रफ्तार का totally it's a proper flex, and I like that it is. वो भी start करते brand से, ऑडी ये वो भी start करते उसी से, but I liked how the whole verse is just not about that. Because I initially thought when the song started, it is going to go in that direction, which now for me, it's a very normal thing. So I always wonder that, okay, how are you going to bring newness to a song where you are just flexing about the money, the brands and all of that. So I like the spin that this one took. Now music wise, loved the Latino influence completely. It was amazing. Again, makes the song very groovy. One thing that I have noticed now, I don't know how the side B is going to be, but definitely side A, barring Nothing to Prove is not a groovy song. But उसके बाद से जितने गाने आए ना, they are so freaking groovy. इसके बाद वाला I don't know, let me see इसके बाद वाला गाना कौन सा है, मैं जरा बैक जाऊँ. This is KKB and I don't know again what it means, produced by Lambo Drive. But I am saying जितने भी गाने हैं, Knock Knock, Sensitive, Never Enough, Buzz Down, ये सारे, they are so freaking groovy, like you can literally sway and move to this song. Nothing to Prove obviously is a little different. उसका intention, theme वगैरह completely different. It's more emotional. But all of these songs, like music wise, production wise, are extremely groovy. And मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि हर एक गाने में ना कुछ एक different है in terms of music production. So that's what I'm liking, that I don't know what to expect in terms of music in any of the songs. And I like that kind of surprise. Now I'm wondering, okay, KKBN में क्या होने वाला, because it's a completely different producer, Lambo Drive करके producer है. And obviously for this video, for part 2, this is going to be the last song for this particular video. So let's listen to this.
can open up the door, it's another one of those. याद है मुझे दिन वो when they never gave me shows. Who's the one still sneak dissing like a hoe? मैं तो तेरा Sub-Zero, still I got my wrist froze. Broke time देखे मैंने cold nights. Fuck life cause I'm about to roll dice. Yeah, rappers low life, चाहिए Nico co-signs for their life is a bitch and I ain't got no type. Dollar signs in the building, go up baby, give me feeling.
Oh, the music. Okay, I have to really like credit the producers. Like, can we just give a big round of applause for these producers, man? Oh, they are legit cooking with all the songs. With all, I am loving the production. I am loving the production, guys. This has, you know, this whole mixtape till now. Ab side B kaisa hoga? If side B completely flips, I don't know. But I am saying till now. Like, I am loving this energy. I am loving the vibe with which he's coming on with the songs. Like, there is emotion, there is pain, there is sarcasm, there are truth bombs. There's like, you know, calling spade a spade. There is talking about his stories, there is flex, there's everything. And it is so well articulated by Krishna, which is like no doubt. Like, I had no doubt about it because it's Krishna. Like, I had no freaking doubt. वो मैं कभी मतलब, he cannot write a bad song. He cannot write poorly. That's one thing which is like he is credited for, and he has proved that again and again. Like, again, obviously there would be skeptics, never enough, that they will judge कि अबे यार बस ऐसे ही सर पे चढ़ा के रखा है ये बस कि बहुत अच्छा लिखता है and all of that. But he really does write so well. So I feel that the way he articulates all of his thoughts, be it in English, be it in Hindi, I think he does it so well. The song when both are, and he does really well when the song has a mix of both. Like the switch and the flow, all of it is just done so smoothly. So I had no doubt that this is going to be lyrically very, very good. But it's also very much fun and engaging. I think there is a different kind of engagement with the songs and the lyrics that I'm feeling this time. And a big credit to the producers for that, because I think this amalgamation and the mix and the synergy of Krishna, the way his cadences and the way his rapping, as well as how the producers have made the song feel and sound. Big credit to that. Like, really big shout out to the producers. Like, love it, loving it. Let's go back a little.
You can open up the door, it's another one of those. याद है मुझे दिन वो when they never gave me shows.
Yeah.
Who's the one still sneak dissing like a hoe? मैं तो तेरा Sub-Zero, still I got my wrist froze. Broke time देखे मैंने cold nights. Fuck life cause I'm about to roll dice.
Yeah.
Rappers low life, चाहिए Nico co-signs for their life is a bitch and I ain't got no type. Dollar signs in the building, go up baby, give me feeling. These women be catching feeling.
The switch in the music is so good.
Just wanna kill him, my body they try to just see me keep on just fucking winning like.
His cadence is so good.
याद है मुझे दिन वो when they never gave me shows. Who's the one still sneak?
Are you listening?
मैं तो तेरा Sub-Zero, still I got my wrist froze. Broke time देखे मैंने cold nights. Fuck life cause I'm about to roll dice. Yeah, rappers low life, चाहिए Nico co-signs for their life is a bitch and I ain't got no type. Dollar signs in the
His cadence here.
feeling. These women be catching feeling as soon as he is dealing. And these rappers we get weak when they barely just wanna kill him. My body they try.
Oh, sounds so good.
It's the rhyme scheme king. I'm back, change your IPs and wipe these grins. गिरी नहीं तेरे भाई की जो hype थी 10. Been getting double the head just as Siamese twins. अभी भी मेरे
Nice.
ये आसपास क्यों ना दिल्ली या शहर या संभाल कर घूमना. संभल का से निकलूं मैं कार का दूमा. इंजन करे ब्रूम ब्रूम निकले कार का धुआं. हाँ कौन करे क्या मुझे फर्क ना पड़े. सीन इतना गरम कभी बर्फ ना पड़े.
Good switch in the flow.
शर्म ना करे ऐसा आता नहीं कोई दिन जब ये कलम ना चले. हाँ who's running this game right now? ये कहने की बात नहीं. Tell me who you playing right now? ये कहने की बात नहीं. Who's running this game right now?
कहने की बात नहीं, KKBN. Okay, fine.
Tell me who you playing right now? ये कहने की बात नहीं. खतरनाक खूनी तो हुई नहीं मुकाबला. जिंदगी अधूरी बसूरी से मेरा वास्ता. अपने मुंह पे नकाबला. Phantom of the Opera साथ अपने तू बापला. Prospect क्योंकि जागरा तू जागरा.
Oh, Prospect gets mentioned.
रंग से हूँ सावला पर मन से मैं बावला. कसम से अब जंग के मैं हमले पे.
I'm sorry. I lost the line actually. मैं खो गई थोड़ा मैं. हाँ ये रहा.
जागरा तू जागरण में भाग लेकर हमसे ना सामना ना रंग से हूँ सावला पर मन से मैं पावला कसम से अब जंग के मैं हमले पहचानता जब ढंग के हो दंगे तो झंडे में गाड़ता हूँ
Nice.
पॉपुलर डिमांड pop another zen ना fuck it मेरे बहुत अलग है प्लान खाता लाता रैम I might talk another man लाइन पे लाइन डालूं like I went and bought another gram
Oh, nice.
I'm a like cerebellum spin venom is embedded in my G like paradigm is embarrassed in the way I'm saying panic in I'm not a kill him I just want an automatic paddock with the carrots in him
In this part, I think in the previous verse also, he's harmonizing with his own voice and it's sounding so good. Whew! That's why the cadence is sounding so good. This part.
Bling bling जैसे बीजी from the hot boys 2003 में था busy on the block boy from the end jump busy करे pop boy तब when you fuck for doing nini with your soft toys सालों साल से ठहरा हुआ मैं नाम पूछ मेरा फैला हुआ मैं गहराई में भी तेरा हुआ मैं माँ बोली मैं था winner जब से पैदा हुआ मैं
क्या बात है?
Who's running this game right now ये कहने की बात नहीं
कहने की बात नहीं
right now
They all know.
ये कहने की बात नहीं Who's running this game right now ये कहने की बात नहीं Tell me who you playing right now ये कहने की बात नहीं
Oh, the music of this album is just so good. The music is just it's a next level, man. Okay, I'm stopping this. Wonderful. So I like the lyrics of this because I like this kind of flex a lot, where you are kind of generic dissing your ops, but also you are establishing your superiority of your talent in really, really nice words. Like I liked how this was executed in terms of lyrics as well. Like this is the flex I like. Amazingly done, amazingly executed. Music का तो मैंने आपको बता ही दिया. Like shout out to the producers. Honestly, इसका भी बहुत. Again, so side A, I am guessing. I think Nothing to Prove को छोड़ के everything is freaking groovy, yeah. Every song is groovy. अब side B में मुझे झटका मिलने वाला है कि नहीं वो मुझे नहीं पता. But yes, this was absolutely each and every song I have completely like grooved to the music. Of course, couple of line here's I think in the second verse when I was listening to it, I think end में था. I just want ये वाला. I just want an automatic paddock with carrots. I'm guessing again ये कोई brand है. Then Bling Bling जैसे BG from the Hot Boys. Probably an artist that I don't know. So ये कुछ references है जो मुझे नहीं समझ आए. फिर what else? Again, the song was pretty direct in terms of its lyrics, but वो जो पार्ट्स है ना जहाँ पे मैं बोल रही थी कि वो हार्मोनाइज कर अपनी वॉइस से एंड उनका केडेंस उस दोनों वर्सेस इतना बढ़िया लग रहा था सुनने में. इट वाज एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग. बट आई एम अगेन सेइंग लिरिक्स वाइज अगेन कॉलिंग स्पेड अ स्पेड प्रीटी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, बट दिस काइंड ऑफ फ्लेक्स इज समथिंग विच आई डेफिनेटली लाइक. आई थिंक देयर आर नो अदर बार्स विच आई डिड नॉट गेट. ये एक था जो मेरे को थोड़ा सा मेरे सर के ऊपर से गया. लेट मी जस्ट सी इफ एनीथिंग इन वर्स 1. दिल्ली है शहर, ये तो समलखा काकरडूमा, मतलब दीज आर प्लेसेस हियर. आई थिंक समलखा तो इज समवेयर इन लाइक पानीपत, आई थिंक, नॉट रियली इन दिल्ली. this I think verse 1 में there's no issue, like I could understand, like I got all the bars there. So यही था. So yeah, I think side A was really really fun to listen to. Cannot wait to listen to side B. And वो भी मैं मतलब जल्दी post करूँगी. वो बीच में weekend आ गया and I was busy in the weekend with family. That's why I couldn't record and post. थोड़ा सा gap हो गया है. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. And from this, I don't know. I liked all the songs. I don't know which one to pick. Honestly, I don't know which one to pick. Maybe Never Enough. Actually, I liked all the three. Honestly, I liked all the three. जैसे part 1 में I picked Sensitive, but here I think Never Enough. Never Enough would be my pick from this one. So, but what will be yours? And आप मुझे बताइए comments में. And yes, that was part 2 of yours truly mixtape listening by Krishna. And I'm gonna sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.